Hello, my name is Alex Kim, and I'm going to present Kohlberg's three stages of moral development. So, background. So, basically, it is a comprehensive stage theory of moral development introduced by American psychologist Lawrence Kohlberg. He based his theory on John Piaget's theory of moral judgment for children. So, it focuses on how one decides what is right or wrong and emphasizes on how one responds to moral dilemmas. So it is divided into three stages: pre-conventional level, conventional level, and post-conventional level. So the first one, pre-conventional morality. This is common among young children before age 10, and some adults are in this stage. And in this stage, behavior is determined by consequences of the action. So at the beginning, a person accepts and abides by the rule imposed by authority figures like parents and teachers to avoid punishments. To them, a good action is one without punishment, and bad action is one with punishment. Later, a person learns to seek their needs and desires. To them, a good action is one with rewards, and bad action is one without rewards. The second one, conventional morality. This is common among adolescents, and most adults are in this stage. And in this stage, behavior is determined by social approval, and then it shifts to rules and laws. In the beginning, a person will do action that is approved by and maintains good relationship with others. So good action is the one accepted by the group, and bad action is the one that is not accepted by the group. And then later, a person believes accepting rule is important for maintaining a functioning society. So for a person in this stage, a good action is the one that abides by the rules of society, and bad action is the one that breaks the rules of society. Then third one, post-conventional morality. This is common after middle age, and very few adults reach this stage. In this stage, individual rights determine behavior. So first, a person believes that laws must be consistent with individual rights. So one that infringes on individual rights is a bad law and should be changed. Then finally, a person develops his or her own self-chosen ethical principles of conscience that determines what he or she does. And how I can apply this as a high school musician. So when I first started playing clarinet and joined the band, I believe I was sort of in the pre-conventional level. I set up the chairs and stands before the class starts and pay attention during class because I don't want to get yelled at the conductor, and I want to receive good grades. And as I get more mature, I started to move to the conventional level where I pay attention and practice during my free time, so I catch up with my peers, and I don't want to be a nuisance during the performance. Then when I went to high school and joined the orchestra and later concert band, I started to practice more in my free time, and I looked at pieces that I'm playing to gain more knowledge of it because I believe it is what I have to do as a musician and be a role model for the lower graders. Thank you.